Hello friends, today's your topic is types of dam. Contents: introduction, type of dams, structure of dam, preliminary investigation, site selection for dam, factor affecting on dam, purpose of dam, failure of dam, conclusion. Introduction. First of all, what is dam? So the dam is a dam is a barrier constructed across a river or a natural stream to create a reservoir for impounding water or to facilitate diversion of water from the river. At backside of the barrier, water gets collected, forming a pool of water. Inside on which water gets collected is called as upstream side, and the other side of barrier is called as downstream side. The lake of water which is collected on upstream side of dam, it is called as reservoir. Dam is a very large structure. Generally length is about half kilometer, constructed across the river to storage of water from many purposes like irrigation, industrial supply, hydropower, recreation, etc. Generally, the dam should be constructed of V shape, thus to achieve economy in its construction. The tallest dam in the world is Hanorek Dam in Tajikistan, has 300-meter high, and the Bhakra Dam is the highest in Asia and second highest in the world. The Bhakra Dam is constructed across river Satluj in Himachal Pradesh and has 246-meter high. The construction of this dam was started in the year 1948 and was completed in 1963. Raw materials. Dams may be constructed of raw materials like masonry, timber, steel, gravel, clay, sand and silt, etc. Types of dam. The types of dam depends upon the condition of dam site. The main type of dam are as follow: earthen dam, gravity dam, arch dam, buttress dam. Earthen dam, as you can see in this image. The dam which are constructed of earthen material such as gravel, sand, silt and clay are called as earthen dam. They are trapezoidal in shape. Earthen dams are relatively smaller in height and broad at the base. Earthen dams are constructed where the foundation of the underlying material or rocks are weak to support the masonry dam, or where the suitable component rock are at greater depth. This is gravity dam. You can see here. Okay. So now gravity dam. Gravity dam is a solid structure made up of masonry or concrete and are constructed across the river to resist the forces external. These dams are heavy and massive wall-like structure which the whole weight act vertically downwards. As the entire load is transmitted on the small area of foundation, such as dams are constructed where rocks are competent and stable. For example, Bhakra Dam is the highest concrete gravity dam. Arch Dam. As you can see here. So, the arch dam, this type of dams are constructed for of concrete or masonry dams which are curved plan. These shapes help to transmit the major part of abutment. Arch dams are built across narrow, deep river gorges, but now in recent years they have been considered even for little wider valley. Buttress dam. Buttress means a support that transmits a force from a roof or wall to another supporting structure. Buttress dam is a gravity dam reinforced by structural support. This type of structure can be considered even if the foundation rock are little weaker. Preliminary investigation. To do all preliminary survey like engineering, hydrological, geological and detailed survey etc. To collect the report about maximum height of flood level by parts 35 year at dam site. To know the soil condition and bearing capacity to decide the type of dam to be constructed at a dam site. To collect the information about people getting benefit from the dam and maximum area is to be irrigated by the dam. To know the maximum annual rainfall at the dam site. Site selection for dam. Good foundation should be available. It should be located in a narrow valley. It should have sufficient space for spillway. It should fulfill the purpose like irrigation, drinking water, etc. Material should be easily available nearby site. It should be easily accessible throughout the year. Now, factor affecting at the dam site. Funds available, topography, availability of material, natural nature of foundation, spillway position, height of dam, earthquakes. Purpose of dam. What is the purpose of dam? So, dam are constructed for following purpose are irrigation, hydropower generation, water supply, flood control, recreation, industrial water supply. Failure of dam. The causes the cause may be occur due to the following reasons: poor surveying, spillway design error, extreme rainfall due to earthquakes, human, computer or design error, poor maintenance. Conclusion. From above this, it is clear that before constructing dam site, selection and preliminary investigation is very important factor. While designing the dam and the selection of type of dam are also depending on the soil condition at the